What's up, ladies and gentlemen?
My name's Cabrera, if you guys don't know who I am, okay? And for today's video, recently I've got my first YouTube paycheck. Clap it up! Clap it up! Anyways, I know what you're probably thinking. How much money you get? Not a lot, but to some people they could say it's a lot, but to me, it's from all the work I've done, and if you did all the math together, I averaged around maybe $50 a month, okay? And apparently I never set up my account with the Google AdSense and stuff. Like, I did a little bit of it, but I forgot to fill out the rest, I guess, or put my bank account information so they could send me my money. Anyways, so it kind of just slowly grew, and I didn't know, and I was so confused on how YouTube pays these YouTubers, and I just decided to dive into it, and I've noticed money was just sitting in there. So I was like, oh damn, that's a lot of money. It came out to around maybe $260 as my first check, but for some reason YouTube only gave me $211. So right now, so if you guys don't know how people get paid, YouTube has Google ads, like ads running through people's videos when they get monetized. First, you need 1,000 subscribers, which I have, and 4,000 watch hours. Okay, that sounds like a lot, but as you make videos, it kind of just slowly grows. So anyways, when you watch a YouTube video, as soon as you click on it and a commercial starts to play, that person's making money off that video, unless they got copyrighted somewhere in that. If you guys don't know what copyright is, that's just when you play popular music, I'd say, that's not yours, like a Kanye song or a Drake song. Okay, you're gonna get copyrighted for that and you won't make any money. As you can see, I've made my first YouTube check and I was really excited about it. All right, I made $261 to be exact, or something, and 80 cents. For you to even consider taking money out as a content creator, let's say you made 50 bucks your first month and you want to take that out, nope, not gonna happen. So what you need is to make $100, right, for them to just send you that money. YouTube doesn't tax that money, and I don't want to mess around. Okay, I don't want to fuck with the IRS. All right, just pay your taxes when they come. If you were smart, you would put it in a savings. That's what I am doing. I put it in a savings. I'm not touching it unless it's an emergency, but in the future I do plan on putting back into the videos for sure. Maybe even another giveaway. Right, if you want to support me, watch the ads. But if it's like a 15-minute ad, I don't recommend watching that. You can skip it. But if it's like 30 seconds, like, come on. Hello?
Did they watch the ads?
Nah, I keep telling them to watch the fucking ads.
Motherfuckers subscribe, man.
They don't watch.
I need the motherfucking money. Let me talk to them.
You want to tell them? You want to tell them?
Watch the fucking ad, you stupid fuck.
Watch the ads, people. Kind of really wanted to just come here and thank you guys, because of you guys, the people, I made money off my dream job. So thank you guys. Like, really, I really do appreciate you guys. Okay, I know I say thank you a lot, but hey man, I just feel like I should say it more, because I think it's just crazy that making videos, I should take it way more serious. I really should, but like, I don't know, I'm so tired. One day I'm just gonna explode and start grinding, and I need to make it happen now. Okay, so it's like, it becomes a hobby until it starts to make money, and then it becomes it's kind of like a dream job, you know? It's coming to life, step by step, baby steps. But like, I could say this for people who do have a YouTube channel. I was grinding for 1,000 subscribers, right? And me thinking in my head, you kind of think once you hit it, you're gonna start blowing up. That's not the case, all right? You're not gonna start blowing up as soon as you hit 1,000 subscribers. And I just recently hit 2,000 subscribers. I don't know, YouTube's algorithm is just a little tricky for me, and I can't really figure that out. But for the people who are sticking around, helping me do me, I'm trying to figure it out. One day I will. I appreciate you guys. YouTube need to push my videos out. Hey man, I love every single one of you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe, okay? Leave a like. 90% of you guys aren't subscribed for some reason, but hey, it is what it is. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.